Okay, in this little video, we're going to do a little home maintenance. So the little itty bitty smoke detectors up there have reached end of life. So it was one of the typical ones where the battery lasts 10 years. I believe these are 12 years old. So I think I got my money's worth. So we're going to replace them with something brand new with another 10-year battery in them. So what I got here is the Kitty. So this is the photoelectric smoke alarm with 10-year battery. So there's two types of smoke detectors out there. There's a photo type smoke detector and there's an ion type smoke detector. So based on the history of me having these around in the kitchen, I'm basically standing in the kitchen, and basically the whole 2 rooms here is just one big kitchen. So anytime you cook anything in here, you know what little bit of smoke that gets produced from cooking and all the other stuff from the oven or whatever sets them off. So for the last 12 years, I've always ran photos because they don't go off as easily as an ion. So first step, we got to take the old ones down, and hopefully the following camera can keep up. So we're gonna stand on a chair just because we can. Are you following me, camera? Probably not. Yeah, you can sort of see me. I'm up here. So these little guys just twist lock on. So it's just a little thing. So they've been chirping. This one, I took the battery out of it and hooked it to 12 volts and gave it a little bit of a charge, so it would quit chirping. So it's just a matter of taking the old mount down. So this ceiling is just kind of like a fiber ceiling. So not really sure. Not really sure if you've seen what I was doing. So I'm going to try to aim the camera up there so it doesn't follow me. There we go. So that's the general area I want to be in, Mr. Camera. Does it go any higher? Yes. Put you in the center of the picture. Okay, so that's that. Hopefully the thing stays there. You never know with these following cameras. So we'll just open up the box. So just like everything else, I got this from Amazon. So, just for show and tell. This camera's so slow. So, here's all the stuff. So this is model 20SD10. Photoelectric smoke alarm, 10-year battery powered. Technical specification, a sealed in lithium battery audio alarm is 85 decibels. Temperature range is 40 to 100 F. Humidity range up to 95%. Smoke sensor is photoelectric. Item number 21032820, model 20SD10, warranty 10 years. Well, after 10 years, you're going to basically throw it away anyway, so there is no warranty. So end of life notification provides 10 years of continuous operation, and of course, in my with the older ones, it lasted 12 years. So you might get a little bit more, but after 10 years, you want to basically replace them, just like CO detectors. Basically, they self-destruct. So once they hit 10 years, they stop working completely, and you can't reset them. So end of life notification provides 10 years of continuous operation. Afterwards, this device will automatically alert you that it's time to replace the item. As in, it will constantly beep at you, kind of like what these things did. So these were the old ones. So Little tiny things, little cute little things. So these things, basically you mounted this little ring on the ceiling, and these things just snapped in. Had a little button. They still work. That one does because I charged it. So kit comes with a new mounting plate. It says installed with the flat side toward solid surface with holes or gaps under mounting bracket. So basically, there's a flat side and a mounting side for the smoke detector. Destructions, we don't need them. Here's the smoke detector itself. It's got a protective covering on it to keep the dust out for new construction type scenarios. And then that little red lock tab is the on-off switch. So once you switch it on, you can't turn it off. So basically, it's just this basic smoke detector, you know. So this thing says it was made in April 9th, 2026. So it's relatively fresh. It's only like 2 months old, but it hasn't been. Shut up! Hasn't been activated yet. So now that I drained enough charge out of it, that thing's gonna start chirping now. So first things first, we need to mount the new mount. We got a chirper. So basically, of course, there's been several holes up there. So we're gonna hide most of the holes with the new mount and get a pencil. And if you're wondering, yes, the ceiling's falling down. Especially in this area here. I don't know why. There's all screws up in there, so I don't know why it's falling down. Typical old house bullshit. So let's see. We're going to try to find... Actually, I'm going to be making new holes. Oh, well. So that just shows you that the old one's chirping now, that the other one is done. So we're going to put two little holes here. So since it's like a hollow ceiling, I need to do them wall anchor stuff. So, we'll get a little drill bit and drill new holes. So you don't need much of a hole because you need to have enough material to pinch the wall anchors in the hole. So you only need is a little pilot, depending on what you need for tools. The only thing you need is a little drill bit and a Phillips screwdriver. I'll leave it just a little bit loose. Put the other one in. just a little snug. So that takes care of the mounting bracket. So now it's just a matter of turning this thing to the on position. So I need something to turn it on with. So we'll use a knife. Oh, I need something smaller than that. Need something smaller than that. Let's see, what do we got? We got something right here. Okay, that's that. So just turn the one-way thing on. Okay, that's on. That's louder than the other one. And it's just a matter of finding the sweet spot. There we go. That works. Shut up. Thank you. You're gonna get it. so, so there, that takes care of that. So we'll shut up. We'll put Mr. Chirper over here out of his misery. So this was a what was this guy? This guy was an Intertech model number 4006199, and his date of manufacture was June 19th, 2014. So there, he is all done. Okay, so that's that one. So we got one more to do over on the other side, but let's see. How am I going to do this? This is going to be interesting. So we'll move you over. Of course, we got to carry you and the recording machine over to the area. And so we'll put you over here. And we'll aim you over there. And we'll do the same steps as the other one. So we'll bring a climbing apparatus. As in a chair. And we'll put the other one up. This one still chirp? Yep. Thank you for your service. There's actually a piece of wood up there. Da-da. We're in mounting hole. Where did I put that? I don't know. Nice big mounting plate to cover up hole in ceiling. Oh, there's actually wood up there. That's sweet. I don't have to. I only have to use one anchor. Okay. Now where do I put that little hardware bag? Okay. Of course, I drop it. So we only need an anchor for this one. Okay. Takes care of that. Now we'll activate this one. Take the little construction thing off. Turn her on. It's on forever. And that is that. So there. That takes care of the new smoke detectors for another 10 years. So a little interesting DIY home fix-it edition of the Rolling TARDIS YouTube channel. So that's all I got for this particular video. So I hope you learned something, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you do all that YouTube stuff and comment, rate, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next video. So until then, bye bye.